Okay, she's starting things off with the No Pore-blem for people who love abbreviations and want to take care of their skin. She's just, rubbing it all around. Now she's going to pick some, it looks like Norgan was the name. It must be some Swedish product. She is putting that all over her eye, or over top of the eye, going over the top like Walter Payton, the 85 Bears. I'm going to pepper this video with lots of sports references from decades old football. All right, now she's doing exactly the same thing on the other side. Okay, now she's going with that yellow that she's covered the name of, so I can't really tell you what it was. She's blending it in, going for some sort of sun-kissed look here. Now she's going in with some red. This is a bold choice, as you can see. Oh, I see what she's doing. Okay, so we're gonna call this the Rocket Pop look. If you guys remember Rocket Pops from the Ice Cream Man back in the day. Okay, so she's putting this onto. All right, now back to the twist. She's going back to the peach. Okay, she's putting this over top and kind of fill in. It looks like that area she did before. All right. Ooh, look at that. Now she's going with some sort of sparkly pink thing. Okay. I was hoping she would keep going, and she did. And yep, really just putting it over top of that red there. Putting the brush over the top, and another sparkly. Oh, okay, going for some gradient color there, and doing the other side. I will mention this is not the Natasha Denona palette that I got her. So I don't know where she got that. All right, now she's putting some powder under her nose and face. That might, you guys are probably laughing because it was like, oh, that's actually foundation. Yeah, well. Okay, so she's blending that in, getting underneath the chin. You always want to make sure that you do the entire face. Okay, get in with the sponge. I don't have much experience with this, except sometimes when I was a kid and I would get my face dirty. Sometimes my mom would wipe it off with a sponge. I don't think that's the same, but if that helps you in any way, you guys are welcome to use that. Okay, now she's putting some other cream underneath her eyes. It looks okay. Now she's using the Velvetizer by Urban Decay. I suppose that makes your face look like felt of some sort. It does look good though. All right, now she's doing the head in the same way, blending it in, I suppose. There she goes. And chocolate matte. I remember this from when I chose it for another video she made me do, but now I'm feeling like I made an excellent choice, and I think she would agree. You can see the smile. And she's putting it over top. More brushing. I don't really know what to say during the brushing. Now she's going in with the pink and adding some color to her cheeks. And Artist Couture Purple Dream, and I guess she's adding a little bit of shimmer to those cheekbones and the chin, and then going back, third time appearance by Norgan, the earlier Swedish product. She's adding some eyeliner to her eyes. And some mascara. I do know these products. All right, now she's going in with these bold grays. I have no idea what she's doing. Oh, they're eyebrow things. Okay, okay. I thought this was going to be much different. I'm picking out a brush, one of her 5,000 brushes, and she likes this one, so she's going with it. DC, some sort of color thing. Oh, lip gloss. She's glossing those lips. Yep. It gets very awkward when I have to talk during the brushing. Oh, the Pixi. Oh man, there was some sort of malfunction of the spraying mechanism. I don't know if that has affected other people, but comment and subscribe if it has. All right, she's putting some sort of. This just ended way too fast, but she looks great, and I have to say it's been fun doing this video for her. Love you, babe.